All right, some little nice back testing session right now. I'm just gonna focus on ranges, premium to discounts, and using fibs. And let's just see how this turns out. So right now we're in a hell of a premium, as you can see. Beautiful market structure. We got divergence happening right now. Nice little swing, classic break. We ran a high into the fair value gap. We couldn't even get to constant encroachment. So let's see. It's 145. Let's see this close, and if it closes, I'll look for a London session sell. We'll see how this goes. Usually I don't do London session, but I'm feeling a little bit froggy today. Alright, 1 minute, let's see what it does. Okay, so now we got this fair value gap. How does it close? Uh, 244, 250 to 310. Macro happening right now. Bodies. To be honest, this is still a good spot to sell. The way the bodies close, I don't like the fact that this doesn't have a wick, this 3 o'clock candle. It's 301 and it's starting with a lot of speed, so we're gonna go into the smaller time frame. So just from this high, we got discount right here. We got low resistance liquidity right here, these swings right around a daily high, so support and resistance traders are in. So let's see, it could continue going up, who knows. I don't have a lot of data to work with. Look at on the daily time frame. I started all the way in 2003, the furthest back you can go on this hush puppy. I'm using FX replay. So from this to this low to this high, price expanded at 1.35 on the fib. And so from a daily, I wouldn't call tops and bottoms yet, but this is the range I'll be working in. I'll still be willing to sell around the constant encroachment of this wick if it looks good, just because we're in the premium. So I'm waiting to see, but today wouldn't be the highest probability. Seeing how today closes would give me a better idea of, because this could keep going and this doesn't create a swing. So just got to be wary of that. Okay, 3 o'clock. I would like to catch this. I don't know if am I being greedy if I say that. Okay, we got a nice swing here. Boom. And a swing right here. So this is the range. Equal lows. Consolidation right during the opening. So the daily open is looking something like where we at, 23. Right here. Daily open. You know what? Let's just do this. And just for right now, let's just put a horizontal ray on that candle. Okay. Let's see how this candle closes at 3 o'clock. There had to be a news. Okay, let's see if this closes. This is not shown that it's a high resistance range. Intermediate term, low, high. Alright, I want to get in, but let's not get in too much of a rush. Let's see how it closes. Look at that. Whoa. Now, depending on what it does here, this would turn into a high resistance range, intermediate term high, long term high. Let's see. I still want to see it close. Oh, what a bitch. It turned right into this breaker and then went. Let's see what this looks like on the 1 hour. What day is this? May 3rd? No, May 20th. This price action is looking a little finicky. I'll wait till New York session. Prices in the discount. Right. Okay. This would have been great to see a sell right around this 4 o'clock candle. So if I was, because the way it closed below this fair value gap, now we got an inversion fair value gap, displacement from a fair value gap, 2 white consecutive candles, which means it's a fake out. Okay, so yes, definitely when it closed, boom, now sells is on. So if I were to go to, oh, where's it at? Right here. Oh, perfect. Yeah. This would have been right. Jeez Louise. Boom. So now we got 2 very strong highs and immediate term high. 2 long-term highs, immediate term high. So 50% here, which aligns right around this fair value gap on the inversion fair value gap on the 1 hour. So that would have looked like short right here. I'll just do it at the fair value gap. Let's see where this wick. The wick would have been a more conservative right here. Oh, same spot. Wow. Stops at the body. 1.5 would have been great, but let's see if it was. Do I have price projections from here to here? Let's see. $1.15 would be here. So to say that, I don't like to be too greedy, but there's a lot of potential, even all the way back to this weekly open. See what price does. Damn, that was. Oh, that was not even a 5-minute. Yeah. Same thing on the 5-minute. Okay, now we go 1 hour. So I ran out closed with a strong low below these two lows. We are in a support and resistance area. A nice little swing daily high. Weekly open right here. Daily open Judas swing. Bodies close within the fair value gap. Displaced slower with strength. 2 consecutive blue candles. So New York session can look for a retracement. Let's see. Boom. Bam. If this is a swing low, we gotta wait till a confirmed swing low happens, but we can get a little bit and of an idea. Let's see. Alright. No wick on. Okay, cool. So we tap back into that daily high. It's 5 o'clock. 5:30. We tap into this breaker. What is this area? Oh, this is a good song. I don't know. The weekly high. Call if you wanna come roll with me. I'm only 1 call away. Come roll with me. I'm only 1 call away. So on the weekly, we got about, this would be immediate rebalance if the weekly does tap into this high. On a daily, it will be consecutive, so this is all an order block. If price is still strong, then today would just create this to stay open, which would be a fair value gap. That's why this Tuesday, not the best of probabilities, but we still going with it. We're just learning. A boxer gotta fight in all different arenas and rings. Alright, boom. We got a constant encroachment of that wick. We can measure that. 6:30. So we got the New York Open about to happen. New York opens, it just expands. There's no wick. So premium would be right there. Take this off. See what it wants to do there. Let's go 5 minutes. So 50% is right around this area. Daily open is right around here. Big thing to note before I even look at sells. Boom, boom. Oh, GBP didn't make a lower low. And look how far this low went. Here. Okay, just be aware of that. So a little bit even more cautious and pickier on a trade. But let's just see how it trades. 710. Taps the daily open. And we expand lower. Rejects. Bodies are respecting this fair value gap. If I knew the news that would happen, I think it's the 8 o'clock news. The way that the price is moving. 8 o'clock. 8:30 or 9 or 10 o'clock news. We got low resistance liquidity now here. And also from a 5 minute, this is like a form of a trend line. Yeah, if we're gonna remain bullish, I mean bearish, we don't ideally want to see a strong close in the medium threshold of this order block. Preferable not to close above this fair value gap. This is just strong. Consecutive white candles. 8 o'clock. Should I wait for like a 10 o'clock macro? Dang, patience. Yeah, 8:50 to 9:10 macro happening right now. Okay, bodies respect the fair value gap and this order block. We trade lower. Now there is a fair value gap. So I would say I have an opportunity for a sell up into this fair value gap. Hopefully the price comes back around and then down. So let's see if there's possible or a reason for price to do that. Let's change this song. Oh, beautiful. We got a fair value gap here. Running up these highs. Look at all these highs. So let's see a break between here. 5 minute. Oh, that's beautiful the way it wigged out. 9 o'clock. We hit the fair value gap. This is a nice displacement. Now, line chart wise, we got low resistance liquidity line chart wise because the body's here and here. But this creates a swing high, higher high, lower high, lower high. So this, from a body standpoint, looks low resistance liquidity. So gotta be careful of that. So let's see what price does in this fair value gap if it expands away from it. 9:28, 9:29, 9:30. Let's see, 9:30 open. Okay. Did it run up this low? No, we got equal lows. Let's see what it does. 10 o'clock, 9:50 to 10 o'clock. There's no trades today. This is Tuesday high, so unless it runs Tuesday's high. Still having trouble at this fair value gap. 10:44. Now we got a swing. This could be a nice scalp if, depending on how this is, but it's not really giving me anything good. Bodies are still respecting this. Let's see what it does. 10:55. Now we in macro. Now we got two. All this work around this daily open. 11:30. We're expanding away. Now we're expanding away. Let's see something. %. Come on, it's hard to see this. Okay. So it seems, yeah, diverge. So now, remember this is the 1 hour fair value gap, so technically the trade is still possible for a sell. Well, runs a high. So we got Now this is a protected high. This is an intermediate term high. Low resistance liquidity, and then we got these lows. All right, let's see how it closes. Where would I take a trade? And look at the timing of the trade. Do I still be patient? 15 minutes. Let's see what you do. 15 minutes. That means 11:45. Nope. Yeah, this is a consolidation. Doji today is a day of low probability. I'm just gonna wait till tomorrow. It'll be cool to still see what the PM session does. So let's just monitor that. No trades. I'm gonna get into trying to put my models into words. We got low. Now we got all these. Be aware of. Nice little swing happening. So this, depending on what it does here, because we just broke a swing low, and then this would turn into, if it breaks here, strong low. But we'll just wait to see what price wants to do. Then we go from there. 12 o'clock lunchtime. No wick on that. And it did that with speed as soon as it opened up. That's interesting. That's the 11:50 to 12:10 macro. Oh, there's 11:50 to 12:10 because it's close to the hourly close. And a close usually has a retracement. It usually has a wick. Okay. And at the same time, the open would have a wick. So the macros are the retracements and the manipulation. Whoa. I'd like to see what time it did this. Yeah. Let's see, 5 minutes. Boom, 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 boom. I'm just gonna go 10:50. $11:10. Let's go something like this. And then 11 o'clock it just opens with expansion. Fake out. Let me go here. 11:50. 11:55. 12 o'clock expansion. And it's going to come back because 12 o'clock didn't retrace. It didn't have nothing. It was just a flat candle, straight up momentum, excitement. There's a lot of emotions around the retracement and the manipulation. It creates excitement, a false breakout, speed, volatility. It's interesting. Let's see. Let's go back today. Okay, let's just mark up all of them. 9:50. 10:10 expansion, runs the low right before 9:50, so we're gonna expect some type of expansion. There's these swing highs. It already ran sell side, ran sell side, wick, expand. Exactly at 10:10 it creates this swing low high. Okay. Now 8:50 to 10:10, 9:10, 8:50 to 9:10. Yep, we got this expansion. Then we got 750 and 1210. Look at that. What the hell? 750 expansion to 810. Trace. It creates a macro accumulation, manipulation, distribution. 850 accumulates. 855 expands. 9 o'clock. It's a small type of consolidation. It does run out this high. Small consolidation, small candle. 905 closes low. Manipulation. 910, 915. I don't want to dig too deep into it, but this is fascinating. Let's see even 650. 650 to 710. Whoa. Alright, I'm definitely releasing this video. Macros and its power. 1150, 650 to 710. 650, small consolidation candle. And then it starts expanding. Let's see London session. $350, $410, $350, consolidation, expansion, runs a high, reverses. Now we can say that this macro is seeking this sell side. 4 o'clock spans below the low. 405 small range, 410 small range. Interesting. What is does 150? Oh, alright, wow, this is wild. 210, 150 small range. Then we start expanding. 155, 2 o'clock rerun for these highs. 205 consolidation, 210 retracement. Mind blown. Well, I hope you enjoyed this session. I enjoyed it. This was mostly for me to watch and look back at, see if I made any mistakes, how I trade now compared to how I'm going to trade in the future. And most importantly, because it's more fun when I have people to invite with on this journey in this chart looking at activity. Anyways, good day to you guys. Hope you guys had a great time as much as I did. Until next time, I'll see you.